AstraZeneca stock saw a massive surge at the end of last week, topping the index after the release of its extraordinary full year and fourth quarter results. Hi, thanks for tuning in. I'm Holly Shields reporting for kalkinemedia. AstraZeneca's results showed that last year was a year of phenomenal pipeline and commercial delivery. The total revenues of the pharma company increased by 41% to $37.4 billion in 2021. While the COVID-19 vaccine earnings were included in this figure, even without them, revenue was still up by 26%. In the fourth quarter of last year, the total revenue was up 62% and touching the $12 billion mark. AstraZeneca's core EPS was up as well, 32% last year, and through the acquisition of Alexion, the company has been able to speed up its strategic transformation. Evusheld and Tezspire have also been approved, which is positive news for the company's pipeline, and it supports its outlook for 2022. However, due to the acquisition of Alexion and the additional funds spent on R&D and product launches, AZ has reported a pre-tax loss of $265 million as compared to a profit of $3.9 billion in the previous year. As the prospects and cash generation potential of the company seem bright, AstraZeneca's board is planning to raise the annualized dividend from $0.10 to $2.90. In March of 2022, the company is due to pay a second interim dividend of $1.97 for the year 2021, marking the total dividend for the year reaching $2.87. AZ has raised its guidance for the fiscal year 2022 after beating its fourth quarter profit expectations. However, it's warned that the sales numbers, which were significantly up due to COVID-19 products, may fall. The pharma giant is listed on the main market of the London Stock Exchange, and it has been since 1993. It's a constituent of the FTSE 100 index, and it's also traded publicly on the Nasdaq exchange. The current market cap of AstraZeneca stands at £129.5 billion, and it's provided a return to shareholders of 17.97% over the last 1 year as of the 10th of February 2022. Meanwhile, its year-to-date return stands at negative 0.52%. With a robust trajectory in 2021, AstraZeneca is positive about its profitability and the growth in the long run. The company has raised its 2022 sales forecasts and annual dividends as well, and it has some bright future prospects. Now that you're up to speed, check out some of our other videos to stay up to date. This has been Holly Shields for kalkinemedia.